Welcome back to Liyahs Design Studio. As you guys can, I guess, hear, I did change the name. I will make another video getting into that, but as for today's video, it's my first time recording myself make a rose mirror, so you're probably gonna see me through the mirror a lot because I really didn't know like the angle I was recording it. So I do apologize for y'all seeing my face. But right now I'm just cutting the stem off the flowers. I did purchase these flowers off of SHEIN. I think they were like $150 for 10, which wasn't bad. I actually was ready at a better price using them than Amazon because one, when you order more than $25, you get free shipping, and I also had a coupon. So coupons save you a lot of money. But yeah, it was my first time using these flowers. I had used a different type of foam flowers, but me personally, I do like these better. If you look closely, the white one and the brown one are the foam flowers I used before, and the other pink and yellow toned and orange ones was the new kind. You can tell the difference a little bit, but not too much because they kind of just blend in with the other ones. But yeah, that was just the backstory on that. I just want to make that clear. I didn't want you to think I'm used to different kind of flowers, which I am. But I just want to make that clear. But yeah, it's pretty easy to make a foam mirror. To make a mirror with roses. I kind of saw this design on Pinterest. Not this exact design. I'll post a picture of the first mirror I ever did with roses. Yeah, but I just saw that design on Pinterest and I was like, ooh, I want to do it. And ever since then, I just been making them, and I kind of like them. I really do like them, actually. I don't want to say I like them better than doing nails, but it's like I kind of already know like what I'm doing before I do it, if that makes sense. I don't know. Just from a business perspective, it's a lot more easier sometimes, but don't get me wrong, I still enjoy doing nails. So yeah, I will be getting some more nail clips, nail videos very soon. I just kind of been exploring different business opportunities within myself. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Also guys, comment down below some other color combinations to do, because I'm such a girly girl. Literally the only color I know is pink and purple and white and yellow. Like, I kid y'all not, like, I'm such a girly girl. If y'all could see my room, y'all be like, yeah, she's most definitely a girly girl. I really don't know like what other colors to do. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look on Pinterest because I know not everyone loves pink. Because at first, I wasn't really like, when I first was a kid, I did not like pink. I mean, I did, but I didn't. It was like my favorite color. But then as I got older, it became my favorite color. And ever since then, I've been stuck with it. But I'm trying to find other combinations. Like, I know some girls like blue. So I've been looking into some blue flowers or like red. But it's like hard for certain colors to find colors that go well with it. Like pink, purple, orange, yellow, they're all light tones, so they kind of just go together. Blue, I don't know what goes with blue, like blue and white, but what else? Like, I'm kind of stuck. But yeah, those are just my thoughts throughout the day. But let me know how you guys think I did on this mirror. I think this was the second mirror I've done. And I also do sell these on my Etsy shop, and I also sell them on my storefront on liyahsnails.com. But yeah, that's all I think I need to say. I will make a video explaining why I went ghost. I'm sorry, guys. But let me know how you guys have been doing down in the comments down below, and let's finish enjoying this beautiful video of these flowers. I really love how this mirror turned out. No, actually I lied. This is the third mirror I did, because the second mirror I didn't have brown in it, but I didn't record that video. I did upload it on TikTok, though. If you guys want to go check it out, I will link the video in my description box. But yeah, But yeah, let me know how I did in the comments down below, and let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.